Today we're checking out this Air Design Street Series front chin splitter in satin black for the 2021 and newer F-150s, but excluding the Raptor and trimmer. If you're trying to give your front end a lower and more aggressive look, this is one of those simple exterior add-ons that make the truck look more put together the second that you see it from the front, so it's definitely worth considering. The whole job of a front chin splitter like this is to clean up the lower bumper and make the front end look wider and lower to the ground. And that's exactly what this one does. It gives your F-150 a sportier street stance without messing with the ride quality or making the truck less usable day to day. Another big reason people go for a splitter like this is the aerodynamic side of things. By shaping the airflow at the very front of the truck, it can help reduce some of that air getting under the nose up at highway speeds, which is a nice bonus if you do a lot of commuting and road trips, or you just want the truck to feel a little more planted overall. What makes this a good choice over cheap universal splitters is it's made specifically for your F-150. So it's not a floppy, cut to fit, hope for the best type of situation. It's meant to match the lines of the truck perfectly, sit where it's supposed to sit, and look like it belongs on the truck. And since it comes in satin black, it's gonna match other black accents on the truck, and it's easy to pair up with any blacked out trim, maybe the grille, the wheels, the mirrors, and badges. Or it just gives you that clean contrast if your truck is a lighter color. The best part is that you're getting a noticeable visual upgrade with fairly quick and simple mod. The best part here is you're gonna be getting a noticeable visual upgrade with a fairly quick and simple mod. Now when it comes to the construction on this, it's gonna be made out of high-strength elastomeric polyurethane for that extra toughness and resilience. You're getting a durable, premium-built chin splitter finished in a factory-applied OEM UV-stable satin black 2K German paint finish, and this finish will prevent color fading or material cracking due to UV damage. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $400 price range. That's a fair spot for a clean, vehicle-specific splitter because you're paying for a part that's made to look and fit like a factory part right on the truck, instead of rolling the dice on a cheap universal piece that can sag, look off, or just never sit correctly. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in about 1 hour or less of your time. This part is made to fit directly in place on the lower bumper, and it even comes with pre-applied automotive grade adhesive tape around the edges, so you know you're gonna get a nice snug fit, and it's gonna simplify that install process. All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Air Design Street Series front chin splitter in satin black for the 2021 and newer F-150s, but excluding the Raptor and trimmer. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.